Let's make these wheels rotate in sync with the movement of the car. First, ensure that your car is parented to an empty object, so when you move the empty, the entire car will move. It's important that each wheel is a separate object. And also make sure that the origin of the wheel is at the center of the object. If it's not, you might end up with something like this. Now we need to add a driver to the wheel, so select the wheel, press N to open this menu, right-click on the Y rotation value, and add a new driver. Set the expression to var times 3. The object should be the empty that your car is parented to. And the type should correspond to the axis on which your car is going to move. After setting up one wheel, you can simply copy the driver and paste it onto the other wheels. And there you have it. Your wheels now will rotate in sync with the movement of the car. Now don't forget to subscribe and have fun!